Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get all Chimichangas in Invision's webverse. To unlock the popular Deadpool character, you'll need to find 15 of these delicious treats scattered throughout the game. This quest involves exploring various areas and sometimes completing small challenges. Get ready to swing through the city and uncover every hidden Chimichanga to claim your reward. Let's dive into the first few locations. Your Chimichanga hunt begins with some straightforward finds. Head towards the Green Goblin boss fight area. One Chimichanga is usually nearby. Another can be located inside a burning building, often tied to a specific in-game task. Don't forget to scan the rooftops and various city structures, as several are placed in plain sight or require minimal climbing. Keep your eyes peeled for these initial pickups.
Hey everyone, quick recommendation. While you're busy collecting chimichangas, let the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum handle the real-world messes. It features voice control, self-emptying, and is super pet-friendly, keeping your space spotless. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome guides. You can find a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other deals in the description. Now, let's get back to the video.
As you progress, the Chimichangas become trickier to find. Be ready for an obby challenge, which holds one of these elusive items and demands careful parkour skills. Some are tucked away in secret locations, occasionally requiring creative movement or even a glitch to reach. Also, investigate areas like the subway stairs and decorative flower lights. These spots often conceal hidden collectibles. Persistence is key here. You're almost there. After finding 14 Chimichangas, the last one often leads you to a special chamber. Upon entering, Deadpool himself will communicate with you, revealing his secret stash. Successfully collecting all 15 will unlock the character. To equip your new Deadpool suit, simply go to the Extras tab in your menu and scroll down to the quest section. Enjoy playing as the Merc with a mouth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.